That's a pretty dress you got there, Olivia. Why don't you come show Dad? Honey. Hi. Hey. What? You gotta rest every couple of inches, huh? Oh, it's slippery on the ground, huh? Yep. Everything's still over there every time you check. Bah. That would not be what you should be touching. That's the electrical outlet, honey. Alright. You look cute today in your dress. Nope, nope, we do not touch that. Come on. Come over to Daddy. Hey, Olivia. Hey. Hey. Oh. How you doing? How you doing? No. Alright. Are we done? Is that it for the crawling for now? What do you got? Boogers on there? You gotta get your face wiped off. Alright.